Can you imagine going viral on YouTube without ever showing your face exactly 1 year ago? And here's the kicker: YouTube has already paid out over $21,000 in AdSense alone. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned as we break down the strategies and systems that led to this incredible success. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest content. Now, before you get lost in the whirlwind of YouTube tricks and tips, let's break it down. Ever wondered why some videos go viral while others barely make a blip on the radar? It all starts with a killer idea. And trust us, getting this part right is crucial. But here's the kicker: it's not just about any idea. It's about understanding your audience inside out. Who are they? What keeps them up at night? How old are they? These are the questions you need to ask to craft video topics that hit the mark. After all, if your content doesn't resonate with your audience, it's bound to flop. Crafting a solid title is more than just slapping words together. It's about strategic keyword placement. You want to zero in on those keywords that people are actively searching for. It's like a game of balance. You need keywords with high demand but low competition. Take our YouTuber's example with investing. Sure, how to earn money in finance sounds enticing, but the search volume is dismal and the competition is fierce. But switch gears to Bitcoin, and suddenly you're in the big leagues. With hordes of people searching and relatively few videos to compete with, it's a no-brainer. So how does our YouTuber nail down these golden keywords? Enter VidIQ, their trusty sidekick in the quest for SEO supremacy. This handy tool helps sift through the keyword clutter, pinpointing those gems that'll skyrocket your video's visibility. But here's the kicker. Crafting a click-worthy title isn't just about keywords. It's about finesse. It's about creating a title and thumbnail combo that screams, "Click me," from across the screen. Trust us, those first few seconds of your video are make or break. They're what reassure viewers that they've stumbled upon gold. So next time you're brainstorming video ideas, remember this golden rule: title, thumbnail, action. It's the secret sauce behind every viral hit. When it comes to thumbnails, storytelling takes center stage. But let's be real, it's not something that comes naturally to everyone. Our YouTuber confesses to being clueless about storytelling when they first dipped their toes into the YouTube waters. Sure, everyone preached its importance, but nobody offered a roadmap. It was like being told to bake a cake without a recipe. You know it's essential, but how do you actually do it? That's where the frustration kicks in. Every guide out there preaches the same gospel: if you want retention, tell a story with a beginning, middle, and end. But here's the kicker: that formula falls short. It's too vague, leaving you stranded with more questions than answers. But what if storytelling isn't the enigma it's made out to be? Cue our YouTuber's aha moment. They stumbled upon a graph, a simple yet powerful strategy that's hiding in plain sight. And here's the best part. It's not some niche hack reserved for a select few. It's a universal formula that works across all niches. Say hello to the hero's journey, a 12-point roadmap that guides you through the adventure of storytelling. It's like your trusty GPS for crafting compelling narratives that keep viewers hooked. So, what does this journey entail? Picture it as a cycle, with each step leading seamlessly into the next. You start in the ordinary world, experience a call to adventure, navigate through challenges, reap the rewards, and finally return to the ordinary world a changed person. Sound familiar? It should, because you're living it right now. Take this very video as an example. Our YouTuber kicked things off by sharing their journey from newbie to seasoned creator, complete with wins, losses, and everything in between. And guess what? You're along for the ride. But here's the secret sauce: sprinkling in retention spikes along the way. Think of them as pit stops on your journey, moments that jolt viewers back to attention when they start to drift. Whether it's a witty aside or an unexpected tangent, these spikes keep the adventure alive and kicking. And the best part, it works like a charm in every niche, from tech to beauty to fitness. Now let's talk editing. Sure, our channel is known for its flashy edits, but here's the truth: you don't need to be a video wizard to succeed on YouTube. Take Sam, for instance, the epitome of simplicity in a sea of flashy edits. No bells, no whistles, just a guy talking to a camera. Why? Because his audience craves authenticity, not flashy effects. It's all about matching your editing style to your niche's vibe, a lesson worth its weight in gold. But here's the million-dollar question: How do you stand out in a sea of 113 million channels? Simple be better than 99.9% of them. Whether it's through superior editing, killer storytelling, or rocking a pink shirt, find your unique selling point and own it. It's the key to separating yourself from the pack and carving out your slice of YouTube fame. So are you ready to beat the game? It's time to level up and claim your spot in the YouTube Hall of Fame. Imagine this. You're a business owner and every day a parade of salesmen marches through your door, clad in the same tired uniform, a crisp white shirt, and a black tie. It's like Groundhog Day on repeat. But then, out of nowhere, enters a salesman sporting the most garish, eye-searing pink shirt you've ever seen. It's so jarringly different that you can't help but take notice. That's the power of the pink shirt. It's unexpected, it's memorable, and it sets you apart from the crowd. But what does this have to do with YouTube? You ask. Everything. Just like those salesmen, YouTube is flooded with channels sporting the same tired uniform, predictable content that blends into the background. But then, along comes a channel that breaks the mold, one that dares to be different, to stand out from the sea of monotony. That's where the magic happens. That's where you find your pink shirt. So, what's your pink shirt? It could be anything: a unique editing style, a quirky catchphrase, or even a digital avatar. Take our YouTuber, for instance. Their avatar was their ticket to fame, propelling them to the top of the YouTube charts in record time. But here's the kicker. It's not just about being different for the sake of it. It's about finding what makes you truly unique and owning it. It's about being so unforgettable that viewers can't help but hit that subscribe button. Now let's talk numbers. Brace yourself for some cold, hard facts. In just 1 year, our YouTuber has racked up over 5 million views. Not too shabby for a rookie channel, huh? But here's the real kicker: they've done it with just 35 videos. That's right, quality over quantity, folks. And it's paid off big time. While other channels in their niche struggle to keep up, our YouTuber has more than doubled their subscriber count in just 6 months. Talk about leveling up. Let's cut to the chase. Is YouTube automation the golden ticket to success? Well, like most things in life, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, if you've got your ducks in a row, a solid plan, robust systems, the whole 9 yards, then heck yeah, it can be a game changer. It's the secret sauce behind channels that stand the test of time, delivering long-term results that'll make your competitors green with envy. But here's the kicker. YouTube automation isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. It's like a Swiss Army knife: versatile, sure, but only if you know how to use it. Take channels riding the wave of quick trends, for instance. They've cashed in big time, scoring millions of views and pocketing some serious dough, all with minimal effort. But here's the thing. It's a double-edged sword. Sure, you might make a quick buck, but is it sustainable? Will it stand the test of time? That's the million-dollar question. Now, don't get me wrong. YouTube automation isn't for everyone. If you're just in it for a get-rich-quick scheme, you're barking up the wrong tree. Our YouTuber will be the first to tell you their channel ain't no walk in the park. Sure, they've got a well-oiled machine churning out content like nobody's business, but it's no cakewalk. It's hours of blood, sweat, and tears, far from the glamour of Lambos and flashy watches. But hey, here's the silver lining. YouTube automation isn't the only game in town. In their next video, our YouTuber spills the beans on the easiest way to dip your toes into the world of YouTube automation on a budget. So if you're itching to jump on the bandwagon, you better hit that subscribe button pronto. So, is YouTube automation worth it? Well, that depends on you. If you're willing to put in the work, master the game, and play the long game, then heck yeah, it's worth its weight in gold. But if you're just looking for a shortcut to fame and fortune, you might want to think twice. After all, success ain't about the destination, it's about the journey. And trust me, there's no shortcut to that. As we come to the end of this eye-opening journey, it's time to ask yourself, is YouTube automation the right path for you? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. If you found value in today's video and you're itching for more insider tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that like button. And hey, if you haven't already, now's the perfect time to smash that subscribe button and join our growing community. See you in the next video. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, Keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.